Hey, how you doing, Pat here? Welcome to 2022. I thought I'd give a quick channel update here going on with a nice snowstorm here in Ohio, and I have a new intro video, so stick around, stay tuned, and I'll be back right after this. All right, I just thought I'd tell you a few things I got coming up for this season. I have some new riding gear to get set up and to break in. I have some new electronics that I want to show you. I have a few trips planned, one big trip, but I don't want to go into any details about that right now because COVID's still going on and that could hamper that trip. We'll see what happens there, but I'm pretty excited about it. Anyway, it's February of 2022. I have some bike modifications I'm going to be doing as well. I think you guys really like that one. Anyway, I'm just keeping this really quick. So we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hey, we'll see you again.